Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today I've got something a little bit different for you. Don't usually sell motorbikes, although they do come up occasionally, and we actually have another one arriving this week. But this little thing has come up for sale. It was part of a deceased estate that I took in, and it was one of the things that I didn't really want to keep. It's a Yamaha DT 400 Enduro bike. As you can see, she's in pretty good condition. Not mint by any means, but in decent condition. And you might have noticed by the red indicators and the number plate, she came from America. So it's an American bike. And the one thing I will say about this bike is it doesn't come with any paperwork. So whoever buys it, you take it away, you'll get a receipt off us, but it doesn't come with a Nova certificate or anything like that. The story is, a friend of mine bought it 6 or 7 years ago. He's been passed away at 5. Brought it into the country, and he was going to take it to Crete when he emigrated. Never got round to it, sadly, and the bike just lay in his garage. So, like I say, it's a Yamaha DT 400, a little 2-stroke. We need a new chain for it. The chain's missing on it. It does start and run. Put a new battery on it. Found an ignition key. We haven't cleaned the carb out. We put a bit of easy start in, kicked it a couple of times. It starts, it runs. That's as much as I know. It'll be a cheap bike for somebody, cheap project, I suppose. Good thing about it is as well, it's quite a big bike. I mean, I'm not really a shrinking violet, and I fit on it okay. So I guess somebody 6 foot would be wouldn't look out of place on it. With it being a 400, it'll have plenty of power. And a pretty rare sight on the roads today. So there you have it, Yamaha 400. I don't usually talk about prices on my videos, but I'll tell you now, it's £2,000, it's £2,000. There's a similar one on eBay. I think it's on for 5,995, so 6,000 quid. Whether that's worth 6,000 quid or not, like I say, it's 2,000 quid. It's got no paperwork with it. You will be able to get it registered, but you'll have to mess on yourself with all that palaver. So if you want to contact us, get in touch on Instagram or Messenger or whatever. And please like and subscribe to videos, because it does make us want to go out there and make some more interesting videos. Bye-bye now.